Trapper here again. I just want to show you what I was doing today. I got all my switches hooked up, or I should say most of them, here. So I got my horn that's lit up, and auxiliary. They didn't have a right one, but that's just going to be power on and off for my 12 volt that I'm going to put in here. Bilge pump 2, running lights, as you can see up there. And then also I got my navigation cabin lights here, as you can see. But yeah, pretty cool. But yeah, that's got that all squared away today, and yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe.